One problem with the Stark is what class can you ride it in? I'd assume 450 in open classes only. Well, yeah, so this is brand new. We don't know how this is going to shake out. They will do the same thing they figured out with 2 strokes and 4 strokes. We had this same problem when 4 strokes came out. And people said, well, what class would you ride this in? It's a 4 stroke. It's not the same. Well, they came up with the plan that it was double the CC. So a 254 stroke could race with a 125. A 454 stroke could race with a 250. You know, that's what they came up with. And they'll come up with something similar, except it'll just be joules or something. It's not a big deal. As for until they figure that out, yeah, you can run the open class. You know, most of the 450 classes are 450-open when it comes to regional events. For me, for example, I would ride 30 plus, 35 plus. Doesn't matter what bikes you're in. You've got all kinds of age classes, schoolboys and college boys and 25 plus. So everybody's got an age class they can ride no matter what bike you're on. And then, yeah, maybe instead of riding 250C, you'll ride 450C or whatever. This is the least of our worries, okay? These bikes are starting to trickle out, though, and you're going to be seeing them at local tracks.